Hey, what's up and welcome. This is Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer, the hybrid, the best of both worlds from South Africa. This is going to be a different video, right? Let me ask you a quick question. Do you call yourself a developer? Obviously, yes, everybody says I am a developer, but if you look at it, you occupy a specific piece or a specific corner in the development process. It's either you call yourself a front-end engineer or you call yourself a React.js developer or a React Native developer, but in that process you are only occupying a small piece of the bigger pie. In this video I am going to solve that problem. This video, it's not going to be technical. This means that we are going to cheat a little bit. Basically, that's what I do behind the scene, if I can be honest. I search things from Google, YouTube, more especially ChatGPT, and I always present them as if they are my own. So basically I've been cheating, me exposing myself. Enough about that, let's continue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the process of creating an app from Figma, designing, and then getting into Visual Studio Code, React Native, and then we are going to deploy that and create an APK. I'm going to show you all that process. This means that, okay, I am going to be copying things from all over the place. I'm going to pretend as if I am the new guy in the business. Without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. If you look at here, I am inside, let me just type clear here. My apologies about this. Okay, I'm inside a folder. I can't even see the name of the folder. Okay, the name of the folder is YT Tutorials 2024. So what we are going to do first, did I tell you what app are we going to create? My apologies about that. It looks like I'm ahead of myself. We are going to create a screenshot app. My sincere apologies. Okay, we are going to create a screenshot app. Basically, I'm going to create an app where when you press a button, it captures your screen and then it will share, okay, or whatever. We will see what we can do. As I've told you that the video is not about specifically the technique of it, coding, but it's about how do you develop an app, as you call yourself, or as I call myself, an app developer. So we are going to take an app from Figma, React Native, and to APK. Okay, I hope that's interesting. So what am I copying? Okay, I'm copying create expo app. Okay, so as I've told you, I'm going to obviously act like I'm a new guy. I'm searching everything. The reason why I want to show you that it's not that difficult. Okay, maybe as developers, when we are presenting it to you on YouTube, we make it feel like it's our own intelligence, but I am not a smart guy. Okay, just an ordinary guy. So let's call this screen capture. Okay, screen capture. Okay, so let me click enter. Okay, so the reason why I'm starting with this, I know it might take time to boot this project. Remember, we've got a lot of things to do. We still have to start on Figma, do a very basic design, hoping to show you some things that are actually involved in the development process. Okay, let me show you the first thing that we're going to do. I want to show you how do you create a splash screen and a logo, because we're going to make an APK here, so we are going to need those things. Some tutorial, obviously they don't start there, so you don't know how can I know the actual template of a splash screen, how my logo size must be. Here we are going to do that. Let me say expo splash screen. I'm hoping I'm going to be taken to an expo page where I will get a link to a Figma file so that we can just copy and paste. So I hope this is the page right here at the bottom. Animation splash screen, there is a link to a Figma file, unless I forgot. Oh, it's been a while since I've used it. I have copied that link to my own Figma file, so it's been a while since I have been checking it. Okay, React Native app. Okay, creating a splash screen image. Also see a guide. Yes, I think using your browser. Let's check the guide. Okay, I think this guide here is a Figma template. Good, we are winning, guys. Okay, I wish this can be less than an hour, 30 minutes, but obviously you know I talk too much, so I'm not going to reach that time. Okay, let's see, open here. As you can see, guys, okay, I'm not going to explain a lot of things, guys. Okay, the idea is to build something. I just realized that the reason why as developers we are good at making a WhatsApp clone and Facebook clone, but we don't have our own WhatsApp clone, it's simply because we what can I say, we don't really build. We just use libraries and ChatGPT and Stack Overflow. So meaning that when you do that, you don't really learn, but you are pretending to be learning. Okay, enough about that. As you can see, guys, let's talk about what is here now. Okay, this is an export app icon for Splash. Okay, so these are all the sizes that you will need, and they are, my apologies about that. Okay, as you can see, this is not finished, but I went there accidentally. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's quickly go to Dribble. Okay, let's quickly go to Dribble. Why are we here? We are just looking for inspiration. Okay, we are not going to be fuzzy. We are going to take whatever that we see. Let's say music app. Okay, let's say music app. We're just going to take a screen. We're going to sample some colors, and that's it. If we found something that inspire us, the reason why I don't choose this one is because I've used it before. Okay, so let's just choose this one, guys. Okay, we are in a bullet train here. So okay, you can see, guys, this is the designer. Okay, us, we are just what can I say, we are being inspired by that design. Okay, I'm trying to use my computer and it's frozen. I think my internet is slow and I don't like that. Okay, as you can see, let me wait, maybe. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, what else are we going to do? Okay, let me check my internet. My apologies about that, guys. That's not part of the video, believe me. Okay, I can't plan something like this. Okay, this means I am really stuck. Remember, I have to save your time. Let me pause the video so that I can get this working. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can see, let me Control V. We've just got an image there. Okay, so what we want to do here is our splash screen. So we are going to design here, and this will show up here. Okay, here we are supposed to put our logo. Let's take this out for now. You just drag it, boom, as you can see, it's out. Here it is. So I'm going to click this rectangle inside this frame. I'm just going to, in fact, there's no need for me to create this. Okay, let me just click undo. I can click on this frame, the actual frame. Let's see, I can give it a fill color. Okay, and then let me choose a fill color from there. I hope you do get that, guys. Okay, I don't want this fill color. Okay, my apologies about that. I want to click this one, undo. Just zoom in this one. Then I want to fill this one. Okay, let's see, the fill color is white. Us, we don't want a fill color white, we want a fill Collins. Okay, I thought you were going to laugh. That was a joke actually, but if it made you sad, that's not a problem. I understand. Okay, so guys, let's go to a website, favorite of mine, this website, SVG Pro. I always use it than using Figma plugins for icons because they always ask me to pay and I don't have money. So we want something like a logo. Okay, let's say mobile. Let's say mobile. I'm looking for a phone icon. Okay, I think this will work. Okay, I think this will work. Let's just copy and paste it here. Okay, as you can see, guys, I just need to zoom in here. Okay, and then take this out. Okay, and then I'm tilting a frame. Then I'm going to move this slowly until it gets inside. As you can see, guys, it's inside now. I'm happy. Okay, then I'm going to press K so that I can scale it. Okay, that means when I'm scaling it and pressing shift, it moves proportionally. Okay, so guys, this is our logo. I'm going to center it here. As you can see, our logo has been centered. Scale it again, and that's it. Okay guys, let me center it again. I'm happy with this. Our logo is in the center. So what we are going to do now, we are just going to draw some eclipse. Okay, there's something that I don't really understand, if I can be honest, why everything of mine has got a, what can I say, this purple outline, but as long as it doesn't affect us now, I don't mind much. Okay, let's just quickly, we didn't even need to sample that white. Then I'm going to push this to the background. I'm going to align these. Okay, align, center everything. We are already running out of time. This looks awesome for me. Let me just try to be fancy a little bit, since we can, guys. Okay, since we can. Okay, since we can, let's just do that. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, but it's such that it's not inside the frame. That's not much of a problem, so I'm just going to click outside and then give this a fill color, not a stroke, a fill. And then on the fill, I'm going to sample this color. So actually that's what we were copying from. Okay, I want this one. That's what we were copying from this design. Okay, we only wanted to copy this. Let's make sure I remove the stroke. Make sure there's, oh, that's the fill. Make sure there's no stroke. As you can see, no stroke. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, I am happy with this. Okay, cool guys. What's the name of our application? Let's say coded shot. Okay, coded design and screenshot. As you can see, guys, what an interesting and a creative name. Control B to make it bold. Coded shot. Let me just put a space. Okay, and then press K so that I can scale it up, then scale it up again. Okay, I'm happy with this. Let me group this one. Okay, and this one, let me Control G, move it up a little bit, and then move this one a little bit. One last thing, guys, before we move from Figma, just sample this color and then we are done. So if you might be asked by your employer, can you create the mobile app, and you say yes, and you know how to start from Figma to create a splash screen. Okay, that fits exactly to the size of a React Native Expo project. Cool beans, this is awesome. I'm happy with this. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is how it's going to look. Nice. Okay, so let's quickly create an icon. Here is an icon. So we are going to design from this exactly. Let me remove the image that is there. Okay, as you can see, guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press V, and then from there I'm going to change the fill color. Okay, what's the fill color? To Phil Collins. Okay, one of my favorite artists. And then we are going to take this image, okay, the one that is inside here. Okay, maybe we can take this one. Okay, let's take this, Control CV, drag and drop this one, and I've copied the wrong thing. Okay, let's see, is it everything? Yes. Control CV, take this, and then now it's here. Boom. As you can see, guys, we've got the icon, and guys, we are done. Let's just click this one. Okay, let's just we'll rename it later. Export this as an icon, as a splash screen, and export this as an icon. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. let's see, a lot of things are deprecated. I think is it still not finished? This is killing us, eh? Okay, not much of a problem. Let me save your time and pause the video, and then I will come back when it's done. In the meantime, I will just rename the icons, and that's it. Splash and icon, our assets. Okay guys, I'm back. For my apologies about all the delay. Now let's be honest. Okay, so what I did, guys, now behind the scene, this was too slow and my network was slow. Okay, I'm trying to be honest. I have just changed the name of the project, since the name of the project is Coded Short. So the previous name, it's no longer working. I want to zoom in, I can't, not a problem. Let's go back. So the only thing that has changed, guys, is just the name. It's not the other name now. It is, let me just show you. I have changed it to Coded Short. The also other thing that I did, this is my phone, this is my Android phone, as you can see. Okay, let me also press Expo Go. Okay, it will mean that we have to register on Expo to have Expo Go. Expo Go will enable us to run our application on our phone. Okay, let me just click Expo Go. In the meantime, as you can see, guys, we are inside this directory at the moment, not in the folder that we want to be. So in order for us to be there, this is how I do it. Here is Coded Short. I will open this, and then I'll just click on any file, reveal in Explorer. I just want to get the location of the file, so I will just copy this location and then close this and go to Visuals, VS Code, and then open a folder. I will paste that address here, and then I will just click open. So here is the difference. Now we are going to have only one folder here, which is much better and clean. Not really, I'm not where I want to be. Open again, my apologies about that. Let's see what have I done. Let me click enter from here. Yes, and then click here. Okay, and then now, guys, we are inside that folder. As you can see, guys, this is clean, and also it helps you if you want to go to the terminal, you can click new terminal here. As you can see, here's our terminal. Let me put it down a little bit. Let me close this, and then you will see that now the last folder, okay, will be this one. That means we are on the right place. If you can run this from a different folder, it's not going to run, as you can see, guys. Okay, so let me just show you that I'm not a genius. Okay, I'm a copycat. Let me go to, where is our create react app? Yes, okay, I'm a copycat. You can see, guys. Okay, we can just copy this to start the server. Okay, Control V, and then let's start the server. So what we are doing now, we are starting the application. Okay, so this one doesn't really need us to do any configuration, if I can be honest with you. Let's just go here and let me first go to my downloads and copy the images. Okay, and copy these images. Okay, and then let me just open, reveal this in Explorer. Okay, reveal this in Explorer. This is how you put a splash screen. Okay, as you can see, guys, we've got icon and a splash screen. There is 1 and there is 2 here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to delete these 2. Okay, and then I'm going to rename these to, let me just click here, rename this way, and then I'm just going to rename this to that original name, and this to that original name. Okay, click and click again. Okay, guys, and click again. Okay, it looks like yes, this is what I want. Rename it. These are PNGs. That is it, guys. This is how you add an icon and a splash screen. Okay, ignore these for now. Okay, that means we are done. And then what we are going to do, okay, I think I tried to run this. Okay, npx expo start. Oh, okay, the command was wrong. Okay, the command was wrong. Not a problem. I can type it, npx expo start. Okay, this is the command that I was trying to run. Okay, so I'm connected to an Expo app, which is Expo Go. You can just go to Expo and create a free account. I am also using a free account. So now as this project runs, Okay, it's going to connect online, and it's going to inform this one that I have got a new project running, and the name of this project, it's coded short. Then when it appears here, I'm going to run it so that we can see it. Okay, what else are we going to do? Okay, let's go to the internet, and let's go, I'm not going to use any other icon now. Let's go to npm. We are going to use an awesome library that will enable us to create an onboarding screen. Remember, this is not technical. Okay, I'm just showing you how to build, so that when you are going to a company and they're asking you, can you create a React Native app? Okay, obviously YouTube tutorials are teaching you a piece of this, you know. So as developers, we development is like art. Okay, you are using different paints and different brushes and different strokes. So I'm just giving you an idea of how to assemble all of that together so that you can build something. Okay, so that's the main goal of this video. Hence, now I'm going to show you how to quickly create a onboarding screen. Okay, like fast, okay, within maybe a couple of minutes. Okay, as you can see, guys, honestly, we take us far. My internet is slow. Okay, my internet is slow. I don't know why. Okay, also my phone has stopped. Okay, so let me just quickly pause the video, and I will come back when all of this has been resolved. I'm not going to make any other changes. Oh, okay, looks like we are winning, guys. There was something here. Okay, let me just click wait here. I saw something here, so that means this is it finished, or it was just disturbing me? Okay, I hope you also saw that. Yes, guys, it's finished 100%. I'm happy with this. Okay, and also it's supposed to be here. Okay, let's just exit this and run Expo Go again. Okay, if it gives us some problems, what we are going to do, we will use this barcode to scan so that we can run the application. So let's go back. My apologies about my slow internet. Let's look for a library, which is APHRICA Africa. Okay, this library will make it easier for us to create an onboarding screen. Imagine when you are telling the employer, when they're asking you, can you create an Android app, and you say that not only I can create it, but I can create it with an onboarding screen, and I can do that in a couple of minutes. This is the library that we are going to use. Let's go and create some awesome onboarding screen. Then, as you can see, guys, okay, this appeared here, but it disappeared. Not a problem. So I'm going to take my phone, and I'm going to click here on this scan, and then I'm going to scan this, and then boom, voila, we are going to run the application. Okay, I hope you are learning, guys. If you're learning something, please subscribe. Okay, this is a bullet. As you can see, guys, nice. Here is our splash screen. Okay, I'm happy with this. As you can see, this is a problem. We've got some borders around here. I am going to show you how to fix that so that our splash screen can fit the whole what can I say, the whole screen. Okay, let's quickly do that, guys. So just go here and look for app.json. Okay, and look for not the icon, the splash screen. As you can see, this image, guys. Okay, let's change here the resize mode, not to contain but to cover. Okay, and then let's click save. Okay, I hope this is going to refresh. If it doesn't, let me try to shake my phone and see if there will be something that will come up. With Expo, you can literally shake your phone, and then a tray will come up, and then you can reload. But as you can see, guys, it didn't come up. That's not much of a problem. Let's just go here. Okay, and then still I don't see this project here. Okay, here is it now, guys. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to click it from here, coded short. Let's see how is our splash screen looking. This is interesting. 100%. This is what we want, guys. This is what I'm talking about. When you are saying you are an app developer, you are supposed to develop the app, guys, not to say I can create a button, but I don't know about the icon, and I don't know about the splash screen. Okay, we're busy coding coded short, and we are going to what can I say, we are going to create an APK. Okay, I'm going to create another video, or let me ask, are you interested in another video where I will show you how to upload it on Google? Okay, I've got one app on Google Play, or yeah, on Google Play or Play Store. Yeah, it's Play Store, but that is a topic for another.